In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Netspend card to Cash App. The first thing you need to do is ensure you have the latest version of Cash App installed on your phone. This process works best when Cash App is fully up to date, so head over to the Play Store or the App Store and update the app if needed. Once you've done that, open Cash App and follow the instructions I'm about to show you. To add a new bank account, go to your banking page and find the option that says Linked Banks or Linked Cards. When you access this section, you'll be able to see all the banks and cards already connected to your account. Select the option to add a new bank, and you'll be presented with a list of institutions. If you don't see Netspend listed, scroll to the bottom and choose the option to enter bank details manually. This will allow you to type in your routing number and account number for your Netspend account. After you input the necessary information and the details are correct, Cash App will detect your Netspend account and it will show up under your linked banks. At this point, you can follow the instructions again and use the Add Cash option, which lets you transfer any amount of funds from your Netspend card into Cash App. This only works once you've successfully added it as a linked bank account on your profile page. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.